back to my channel. So today I'm going to be trying out the Bratz doll makeup challenge. I feel like I look crazy, but I don't know, maybe it's similar to the picture. Just like pull my hair. Anyways, I tried out the challenge. It was a lot of fun. It took me a lot longer than I thought it was going to. I feel like the makeup is pretty basic, but it took me forever. Got the hair going and everything. So let me know what you guys think. I have honestly loved Bratz dolls since I was a little girl. My grandma used to buy me Bratz dolls all the time. It's all I wanted to play with. Yasmin, I think, was my favorite girl, and Jade. And I had some of the boy dolls too, and I was so obsessed with them. I thought they were just like the coolest things in the world, so I was so excited when I saw this challenge come up on YouTube. So without further ado, let's get into the Bratz doll makeover challenge. My video. Really hope you enjoyed it and hope I got close at least. to what Jade looks like in this picture. I know I don't have dark hair like her, but you know, I feel like it was similar, you know. I feel like I was close. Anyway, you guys let me know what you think down in the comments. If it totally sucked, it's fine. It was just for fun, and I feel like this makeup kind of looks like drag makeup, so, but it was a lot of fun. So I really hope you guys liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Also subscribe to my channel for more videos, more makeup videos, more challenges. You guys let me know what you want me to do, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this fun, dorky little challenge. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye!